In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly enter HSA contributions into Turbotax. Whether you're new to Turbotax or just need a little refresher, this guide will make it easy to get this task checked off your to-do list. So let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll want to begin by visiting the Turbotax official site. It's a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of preparing and filing your taxes online. So head over to their site, and once you're there, you'll need to either sign in or create an account if you haven't done so already. Signing in ensures that all your information is saved and can be accessed as needed. After you're signed in, you should find yourself on the Turbotax homepage. From here, you'll want to navigate to the section for the year's taxes that you're currently filing. In this case, for example, click on 2024 taxes to continue with your current tax filing. Next, once you're on the relevant page for that tax year, you should see an option to click on Federal. This section is significant because it houses all the federal tax related details and options, including deductions that can help reduce your taxable income. Once you're in the federal section, look for the deductions and credits link and click on it. This is where you'll be able to input a variety of deductions, including those related to health savings. As we move forward, navigate to the medical section. This area is specifically set up to handle medical related deductions and credits. Here you'll need to click on the link that mentions HSA and MSA contributions, along with other medical related items like prescriptions, medical bills, and ACA insurance forms. In this part of Turbotax, you will find the dedicated section for HSAs. Clicking on HSA MSA contributions will guide you through entering your health savings account contributions. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully, as Turbotax will prompt you to input specific information related to your HSA contributions. Remember that an HSA is a tax-advantaged account designed for medical expenses, and contributions to it could lower your taxable income. Keep your HSA records handy, as they may include important details such as the total contribution amount necessary for accurate entry. That's pretty much it. By following these straightforward steps, you can make sure your HSA contributions are properly recorded in Turbotax, simplifying your tax filing process and helping to ensure that you don't miss out on valuable deductions. I hope this walkthrough has demystified the process for you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.